River,
But at least
you got chunky peanut butter toast and cantaloupe?
My other shirts, I get
That is yummy. That is super yummy. And look, you have a shark shirt and a shark hat.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Do you mind holding him?
River, you look so handsome. Oh, look, you have a shark fin in the back. Is that what you were showing? Oh,
You were eating steak time?
nice, Riv. That looks like a really good breakfast. I'm jealous. All I had was cereal.
Hey, I'll be right back.
How was your sandwiches last night?
Hi, baby.
Hello? Hello? It's me. Go. You guys got peanut butter and everything?
Me and Carly scrounged.
Smeagol Carly?
Schmeagol Carly? No! I'm no Schmeagol Carly.
You guys chose to
I'm
scrounge.
Schmeagol Show. First of all, we did not choose.
Yes, you guys said you didn't want to come here to make something.
Oh, no, I'm not talking
Passed out
about that.
almost immediately. We had breakfast burritos and
Cake and mugs,
cake and mugs
and it was good.
and kiwi.
And a piece,
And after that, we brushed our teeth.
and we had milk
We
to
attempted to
do.
watch a movie, fell asleep after 10 minutes.
Yeah, we couldn't stay up. We were too tired. Do you guys have something you could spare so we could put something on our bagels that we have there?
They said that if you want something, you come here.
Well, I know they're giving us eggs, so.